Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your name on TikTok. So I'll show you guys how to change your name and your username, depending on which one you're looking for. But I'll show you guys how to change your name and your username on TikTok in this video today. So it's pretty easy and simple, so I'll show you guys exactly how to do it. So first things first, just head over to your TikTok app. Once you're on your TikTok app, you'll be brought to this For You page right here. And from this For You page, you want to click on your profile, which is in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're on your profile, you're going to want to click on the edit profile option, which is near the middle of the screen. It should be a little bit right below your following and followers numbers. And once you click on the edit profile option, you'll be brought to this page here. Here there should be an option for name and username. If you click on name, then you'll be able to change it to whatever you want. You can change your name once every 7 days, I do believe. And you can just change it to whatever you want. So I'll change it to Dabasa Tech 0. And once you change the name to however you want it to be, you just click save in the top right corner and then click confirm. That will change your name to whatever you wanted to change it to. Now if you go to the username, it's the exact same thing for the username as it is for the name, except that you can only change your username once every 30 days. So it's about 4 times the length that you have to wait after you change it than the actual name. But this is how you change your username as well. You just click save once you set your username and then confirm. And that is how you change your username and your name on TikTok. So like I said before, it was really easy. You just follow my instructions and you'll be able to do it. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.